Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to count duplicates in Excel. The first thing will be to open the Excel file to see the data to use. Now in the corresponding cell, enter the count if function followed by the range of numbers to review, use a semicolon, and again enter the reference cell. When you press enter, you will see the number of duplicate numbers in Excel. Now, in the function, you are going to press the F4 key on each of the ranges, this in order to convert it into a fixed value. You can double-click on the corner of the cell to replicate that function to the other cells. Finally, to perform a count, in another cell enter the count if function, then the cell, and there you must enter the dollar sign in the cell, a colon and the first cell, a semicolon and the first cell again. Press enter to see the result and drag this cell down to copy that function. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.